If you think the market is saturated, I've got news for you. The only thing saturated is your excuses. There are more new people entering online marketing every day than you could ever message in a lifetime. Let's talk about it. Hey, I'm Jeff. Welcome to the channel. If you haven't been here before, or welcome back if you are a subscriber here, we appreciate it. And if you like this kind of content, then tap that thumbs up button down there, and that will help the video and help YouTube know that we've got people watching. So, all right. So, a lot of times we get into a marketing business of some kind. In my case, I'm just going to go with OLSP as my example for today. And we think, man, that business has been around forever, and there's probably so many people that have tried it. And I'm going to tell you, yeah, there is a ton of, probably a ton of what I would call orphan memberships out there. And they are, they got in for the $7 and decided that maybe they weren't having any luck with it. They didn't know what to do with it. They weren't able to upgrade. They weren't able to get traffic, whatever the case may be. It's not the saturation project. I'm going to try to scoot around here, or saturation problem. It's the action problem. When it comes to working with different businesses that have been, especially those that have been around for a long time, it's really not any different than cell phone companies. People change cell phone companies all the time. People bounce around to these different biz ops all the time. You've got to decide and make the decision of the one that you are going to stick to and focus. Focus stands for follow one course until successful. Okay? Focus on that one. Learn everything you can about it. Learn all the different angles that you can present with it, that you can draw people in. Attraction marketing, put information out there that's going to make people ask, what is it you do? Or who is it you're working with? Okay. And case in point, today there was a, is it Tuesday? Yeah. It was a Tuesday training for OLSP. And I noticed that an online friend of mine had posted on Facebook for that meeting to invite people to that training for today. I'm like, well, I didn't know he was in OLSP. So I sent a message to him, and he came back asking me, a couple of questions. Asked me, number one, how long have I been around it, and what did I think about it, basically, is what he was asking. So I gave him my honest review. OLSP is a great company. They've been in business for quite a while. They aren't going anywhere. Wayne Crow is a great trainer. He's a master at keeping you on the edge of your seat to give you information, to keep drawing you back in, to give you information. And they're getting ready to go through a change. They're doing a relaunch of OLSP. They're completely changing the website. They've added a bunch of new services, new products, stuff like that. And so it's a good thing. But the point is, I had no idea that this guy I'm talking about, this online friend, I know he does some marketing, but I didn't know he had never been to OLSP. This was his first time through OLSP. And he must have been doing it maybe for a couple weeks or a few days. I don't know. So there's always opportunity out there for people or for your business, because there's people that are always looking. All right. They get one little thing, maybe doesn't sit well with them, and off they go to a different company. Cell phone. Everybody has a cell phone. Talk about a saturated market. All right. Everybody carries a cell phone. Kids carry cell phones. But there's still room in every business, every company out there that sells cell phones and cell phone services, that they can bring in new customers on a daily basis. So there's no reason why you can't bring in somebody to your business. If you believe in the business, if you are committed, and if you stay consistent, okay? Once you start to lose that consistency, then your enthusiasm tends to fade, and people can tell that. And next thing you know, you're on to promoting something else. Hey, quick break here. YouTube is one of my favorite places to work with organic traffic and to bring in leads. And we do a Thursday night training every week for an hour, about an hour, 8 o'clock Eastern time, PM. And it's the 4-step video blueprint. What I do is I come in and I give you maybe a little topic and some information to work on for YouTube to learn about. And then we just kind of round table and see who's got questions and see what we can do to help them out. So if you would like to know a little bit more about how to do video, make video a organic traffic platform for yourself, but you just really weren't sure how to get started, or how to put a video outline together, then yeah, make sure to put video training down in the comments and I will get our link over to you so that you can check it out. It's all free. All right, let's get back to our program. So with thinking along this lines of all the businesses out there are some businesses out there that are 30, 40 years old, especially in the network marketing or multi-level marketing companies that are out there. A lot of health and wellness businesses out there, been around a long time, and a few new ones have popped up over the years that have held on. They've been doing okay. Different, and I'm talking the health businesses. And there's always a ton of biz ops coming around out there, opening up their doors. The most recent one that I can think of, I'm sure there's probably been some since they opened, is MAP, something affiliate partners. I looked into MAP. I'm a member there, free member there, whatever. Didn't stick with that myself. I didn't feel the energy there. I feel the energy with OLSP. Wayne just brings energy to every call that he does. And so, yeah, if you are in that boat of, okay, I'm stuck, what else do I want to do? That's fine. Come on over to OLSP. It's a $7 startup for your membership, and you'll have me as an active sponsor working with you, an active mentor working with you. I like to use video for training, and I also have an email platform that we like to use that does convert and bring in some OLSP business. So if you want to check that out, then yeah, that link will be in the description area as well. So I just wanted to get everybody over the hump here with the saturation, with the, oh, well, that business has been around a while, there's probably nothing left to do there. No, there's plenty left to be done out there. Even if you're already in an older business, it might be time to rejuvenate that business, be the, a phoenix that rises from the ashes, okay? You might get back in with your favorite company and see what's new, what they've got available to you, and really dive in deep. You're not going to make money overnight, folks. If that was the problem, if you got in and a month and a half later said, oh, I can't do this anymore, I'm not making any money, I haven't made any sales, that's a problem of not being committed and not wanting to learn the business correctly and not wanting to learn or do the action steps needed to draw business into you. Okay, for me, it's video and it's email marketing. So bring it on. And if you've got any questions, please let me know down in the comments. And beyond that, don't forget to put video training if you want to check out our 4-step video blueprint. All right, see you soon. See you in the next video.